given as a project by our science teacher. So for the project, the experiment name is the carbon dioxide balloon. So for the ingredients, we need an empty balloon, some vinegar, baking soda, a disposable spoon, and an empty bottle filled with a bit of water. So what's the procedure? Let's start it. So first we have to put the baking soda into the balloon, and you can even use a funnel. I'm using the back of a disposable spoon, so it will get messy. But you can use a funnel as well, so it doesn't get messy. I did the baking soda to the balloon. Now we would open the water. You can either use a funnel because it's very messier, and you can even use gloves and in a parent supervisor. Now I will add a few of drops of vinegar to the water in the bottle. Then you can use a glove so it doesn't get so much your hands. Now I would be adding the balloon to the cap of the bottle, but be careful the baking soda doesn't fall into the bottle. We start the experiment. Now I have done with the balloon. Now I will now there is not leakage anywhere, but just be careful with that. If there would be leakage, so it doesn't get refilled. Now let's start with the balloon. See, the balloon started to fill. The balloon started to fill like this. So, why it's helpful in science? The experiment is helpful because the baking soda base and the vinegar acid produce the carbon dioxide gas, which fill up the balloon, start to fill up the balloon. So when the balloon is started to filling, and if between there is not leakage, so the balloon fills. So I hope you like my experiment.